Happy Halloween, everyone. This year we have Heart of the Dragon.
I've got this year's premier drink.
Yeah. How many am I making?
One for Jeremy.
Okay, so two.
I'm Jeremy.
Starting with ice. I'm going to start with the vodka. Absolute raspberry. I'm going to add some cinnamon whiskey in here. A little bit of that. A little bit of that. Not too much because, quite honestly, the Fireball is like it's a little bit too much cinnamon and it just kind of destroys the drink otherwise. So don't add too much into that. I like to add just a little bit of maraschino cherry juice. I just feel like it adds a little bit of something. So red grapes are going to be Heart of the Dragon here. I'm going to drop these in. And now we add the blood.
Actual blood?
Just more that.
Yes. O negative, universal donor. So everyone should be able to have it. Mostly platelets, and you know, we added a little bit of some antifreeze so that it doesn't coagulate too fast, and that way everyone gets a chance to enjoy it. For the intelligent people, a little bit of a stir.
The being intelligent.
The Heart of the Dragon.
I have a friend though who she was like, oh, but I decided to read all the books, so I assumed that she's seen all the books. So I was like, when I first moved to LA,
Well,
Jeremy,
I'm not
can you-
gonna do that, but that's great. This is a good drink.
but then these guys who were planning on
Then you're making another great Halloween cocktail.
Anytime. We'll be back next year with whatever I happen to have on hand.
You can also just drink beer.
I mean, if you really want to drink bread.
Wow, Grassmeyer, you are not trusted at all. This is this year's signature cocktail. Chun-Li is enjoying tonight's signature cocktail. Yeah, I'll play it through Street Fighter. My buddy Ryan Grassmeyer always throws an amazing Halloween party, and his apartment is decked out with nostalgia. Let me just show you around a little bit. Really low key at the party. Here's the snacks table, but amongst the snacks is actually a creepy crawler set. I think we could do creepy crawlers if we wanted to. We just came in to use the facilities, and this is what we did.
Grape Escape? God damn. It's not fucking Grape Escape?
I was lucky enough to be born when you needed a pager and, you know, and not any of the social media garbage, so people actually communicated with each other and had normal relationships growing up. And I was also around when all this amazing shit was alive. And now it seems like, you know, there's not a lot of analog, it's all digital. So, you know, these might exist in apps, but really, I'd rather just spend 15 minutes hooking up Grape Escape and cut a friggin' Play-Doh grape in half. Hey! It's a video! Happy Halloween, everybody!
last time anybody saw any of us.
Chicken, pork on blue. I'm chicken, pork on blue.